don't mind if I borrow a couple of your squeaky toys? Ruff, ruff. Ruff. Thanks, Clifford. These should come in handy today at school.
All ready for school, Emily Elizabeth?
I sure am. It's gonna be a wacky day.
Why?
It's Wacky Wednesday, the silliest day of the year. It's when all the kids tell jokes and do silly things.
You don't say.
You already knew.
Happy Wacky Wednesday, Emily Elizabeth. I thought you might like to borrow these.
You bet I do. Thanks, Mom.
Emily Elizabeth, wait!
Hi, Nina.
Great glasses. Happy Wacky Wednesday.
Happy Wacky Wednesday to you, too. Are you ready for some fun?
Oh, I think so.
Hi, Shun. You guys sure look wacky. Look who's talking. Wearing your clothes backwards was a great idea.
I'm gonna be the queen of Wacky Wednesday. I've got a bag full of silly surprises. Oh, here, Shun. Would you like a peanut?
Sure, thanks. Whoa!
Got ya!
All right, if everyone will please take your seats.
Where would you like us to take them?
Very funny. But learning is a serious business. Okay, please sit down.
Whoa!
Well, this is definitely going to be a wacky day.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Banana. Banana who? Knock, knock. Who's there? Banana. Banana who? Knock, knock. Who's there? Orange. Orange who? Orange, you glad I didn't say banana? You really got us that time.
And I've got lots more where that came from.
I swapped your sandwich for a rubber one.
You should have seen the look on your face.
Now that's funny. Thanks for the sandwich, but I think I like peanut butter and jelly better.
Boy, that rubber sandwich joke was great. Oh, but wait till you see what I've got planned for later.
Thanks for walking us home from school, Mrs. Flores.
You're welcome, Emily Elizabeth.
Oh, I just remembered. I want to take a picture of you guys with your best gags. That way I can have a picture from my scrapbook.
Wait a minute. Let me put on my glasses. I've got my rubber sandwich.
Say Wacky Wednesday.
Wacky Wednesday! Oh!
Oh my goodness, Nina. That wasn't very nice.
Well, it's okay, Mrs. Flores. That was your best joke yet, Nina. I sure wasn't expecting that.
Well, I am the queen of Wacky Wednesday.
Okay, but Wacky Wednesday is over now that school is out.
But I still have half a bag of gags left.
You can save them for next year.
I guess. Boy, I sure am hungry. Are we allowed to have a snack, Shun?
Sure. My mom always leaves snacks in the fridge. I'll give you a hand, Shun.
Thanks, guys. Oh, no!
What is it? Oh, no. Our homework is soaked with milk. It took us almost an hour to write all that. Nina didn't mean to do it. It was an accident. If it was an accident, why is she laughing?